Volume 1, Exercise number 6, second part, start. If we organize our cottage industries, if we take to the spirit of Swadeshi, I have no doubt we will solve the problem of unemployment to a great extent. Full stop paragraph. Then, sir, a reference has been made to certain additional projects which have been included in the five-year plan. Full stop. There was a great demand from Maharashtra to include this project in the five-year plan. Full stop. A couple of years ago, there was a conference presided over by my colleagues from the district. The president, revenue minister of Maharashtra, full stop. He had presided over it, and there was a unanimous demand supported by practically the entire people from Maharashtra that this project should be included in the five-year plan. Full stop. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Government of India and the Government of Maharashtra for having seen to it that this project in Maharashtra is included in the five-year plan. Full stop paragraph. The President's address makes reference to the improvement of our transport and communications. Full stop. Our increased production leads to the question of better transport facilities. Full stop. The agricultural production is on the increase, but sir, if there is no betterment of our transport facilities, this increased production in agriculture will not benefit the agriculturist. Full stop. In my part of the country, even now, this situation prevails. Full stop. The production there is on the increase, but the agriculturists are suffering on account of inadequate facilities of railway transport. Full stop. I was glad to find from the president's address that the railways are thinking of opening even new lines very soon. Full stop. It has also been said that so far as locomotives and rolling stock are concerned, the manufacture of these is going on very satisfactorily, and we have made good progress in this respect during the last few years. Full stop. Any nation can be proud of this achievement. Full stop. Then there is a reference to the housing conditions. Full stop. We can very well remember the scenes that we were required to witness immediately after partition. Full stop. Thousands and tens of thousands of our brethren came to this country from Pakistan. Full stop. It was a very serious question as to how to house them, but the day has come when the question has practically been solved, or it can at least be said that we are near the solution of the question. Full stop. 72 crores of rupees have been spent during the last few years in constructing houses for the refugees, and in this very city we are witnessing an exhibition where we can see the models of cheap and decent houses. Full stop. If these cheap houses are constructed for the refugees, it will provide shelter for them at a low cost. Full stop. Over.